As you know, I try to offer a lot to the freelance translation community and to the translation community in general. I have all these videos on my channel. I think it's close to 700 or whatever it is, videos on my YouTube channel. I have a LinkedIn account where I talk about a lot of stuff. I have Facebook groups. I have obviously my courses, because I have several courses on freelance translation on pros.com, LinkedIn, etc., etc. I have a book out. 2 books out. Anyway, so there are many different ways that I've tried to help freelance translators and that I continue to try to help freelance translators aside from my main job, which is running the translation agency. Why am I making this video? Because I want to mention another thing that I'm going to be adding to all of this. And a lot of this stems from the fact that I see people going through trouble. I went through a lot of trouble when I was starting out as a freelance translator. I see people still now going through all this trouble, and it really frustrates me because I want to make it as easy as possible. I used to offer like consultation, and I sort of still do, but it takes up a lot of my time. So what am I talking about in this video? Well, it's what I'm going to be offering next and what I have in mind and what I'd like to do. It's not going to be a course. In fact, I'm still not really sure what to call it. I'm going to literally start from scratch and create a CV, create a LinkedIn profile, create a pros profile, and start applying for jobs, get jobs, and take you along with the process. So you can literally just step by step follow exactly what I do. I'm going to go through the whole process of becoming a freelance translator and taking you along for the ride. That's the idea for this new tutorial walkthrough. I'm not really sure what to call it. I'm going to create a CV. Then I'm going to create a pros.com account and profile and go through exactly what to do and how to make it and how to optimize it. Then I'm going to do the same with LinkedIn. Then I'm going to sign up for job alerts. Then I'm going to apply for jobs, and I'm going to follow one of the methods that I've talked about before, but there I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how to apply, do a job for free in order to get the referrals and leverage that for future jobs so you can get paid more. So it's going to be a lot shorter. The course I have now, I think is more than 6 hours long because I talk about a lot of stuff. It's really comprehensive and talks about everything. This is going to be a lot shorter because I'm just going to take you through the process, show you the steps in order to be successful, in order to earn money from freelance translation, and that's it. I'm also going to show the letter that I write. I'm going to make it downloadable so you can just fill in the blanks. And I might also include a invoice template that you can also use and tweak. I'm not sure about that. I want to keep it short and sweet with only the essentials. So literally you can see what's going on and pretty much copy and just fill in your information and do the exact same thing to get your career going. This is going to be my plan. Early next year, hopefully I can have it up. I'm hoping during the December break I can, I've got more time to work on it and kind of make it a reality. But that's the idea. So I want to get your input from you and see what you think. And my course has a lot of other things. It talks about various different strategies. It talks about things that can go wrong. It talks about, how to use like from CAT tools to OCR, stuff like that. I'm not doing any of that here. I'm literally just taking you through the process of setting up, applying for a job, getting the job, boom. That seems to be where a lot of people have difficulty. They're not sure what to do. They have a lot of questions about it. So that's what I want to try to help out with and keep it as short as possible in that sense. Please feel free to let me know what your thoughts are. I just wanted to announce that it's coming and I'm sort of excited about it. Then I'll probably do some cool promotion when it comes out just to, have fun with it. And let me know your thoughts. If you think that's no real different from a normal course that is comprehensive and has everything, that's fine. But I think it's in a way more useful because it's sort of a different market. It's, the comprehensive course is for reference and you can always go back to it for different issues and tips and tricks and tidbits that can come up. But this one is literally for someone who's like, okay, I want to get started and get going as quickly and efficiently as possible. Let's do this. And so obviously it's made not just to watch passively, but follow along and do it as I do it. And that way you can get started as quickly as possible. And I do think it will be quite useful. And that's why I don't want to call it a course, but more, a tutorial or a walkthrough or something like that. I'll figure it out. Sabidum.